Alright, so we're going to be building a farm today for XP in RLCraft. So it's really not that hard to do. First off, we're going to build about 8 blocks this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to want to cap it off on the ends. Do it on the other side. Also cap that off. So we're going to have water going down this whole stretch, and that's the maximum distance water will travel. You can make this a block or two shorter, it doesn't matter that much. But next thing we want to do is cover up that water and go up a little bit more. And then we're going to want to start building up these edges right here. And we're going to leave 2 spaces on either side for some pistons. So once we've done that, we want to go ahead and put some slabs on top of these, because we're going to be hitting the mobs through this. And we can just put another block on top of that. So let's go ahead and grab some pistons. Just normal pistons. We don't need sticky pistons for this. So now we've got our sticky pistons in place. We are going to want to put some signs right over here. Just like that. Then we can go ahead and fill this in. So there's going to be lava right here on that block, and it's actually going to go down. So next up, we need to make a little outside ring of blocks to put redstone on, and just have it come down on one side. So then we're going to need some redstone dust. And just run it all the way along this. So now that you've done that, you're going to need some redstone repeaters. You want it to just come down on either side. You're going to have these 2 repeaters going in this way, this one going that way. Some redstone there. Then we're going to want a lever. You can have to flick it really quickly. So I'll go ahead and demonstrate that real quick. Just like that. So those pistons are going to go crazy, and while that's happening, we can go ahead and put our lava down. So we have the signs there to stop the lava from going over and creating stone. And those pistons should keep it from creating stone for the most part. If it makes a block or 2, that's okay. It normally seems to happen. But the next step is to go ahead and put a top on this whole thing. And then put a little place where you can stand up, kill them. Put some slabs so you can collect your drops. And then once we go into hard here, we should see things start spawning. Alright, so it took a second, but now we have these Zaphams spawning. And you'll be able to just farm them from here. They won't be able to hit you, so let's just go ahead and grab a sword. Now let's go into survival. So they'll spawn, we can hit them, they can't really hit back. And you collect your drops and XP down here. And so that's going to be our tutorial for today.
It's all about humanity.